This is Maximize Your Crypto Portfolio, Earn Passive Income with Bitget Earn and Bitget Flexible Savings. This video will introduce you to the fascinating world of Bitget and demonstrate how to use Bitget Earn's potent feature, Bitget Flexible Savings, to increase your cryptocurrency holdings and create passive income. Let's start now. To begin, let's clarify Bitget Earn. What exactly is it? The groundbreaking tool Bitget Earn, however, enables you to generate passive income from your crypto holdings. It offers a variety of goods and functions intended to boost your earnings. Bitget Flexible Savings is one of these essential products. Now, let's take a closer look at Bitget Flexible Savings. This feature offers incredible benefits that can help you grow your crypto portfolio and earn passive income. Let's explore about it more on Bitget website and learn how to use it effectively. Let's discuss how to use Bitget Flexible Savings effectively. Here are the steps. Step 1. Select an investment option that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Bitget offers a diverse range of options to suit different investors. Step 2. Deposit your funds into Bitget Flexible Savings and watch them start generating passive income. You have the flexibility to deposit and withdraw funds at any time, ensuring your assets remain accessible while earning returns. Step 3. Regularly monitor your earnings and portfolio performance. Stay informed about the latest market trends and adjust your investment strategy as needed to optimize your results. That is all for an introduction of Bitget Flexible Savings. Stay tuned for more and also part 2 explaining more Bitget Earn products.